Hey everybody, I've got about an hour here, so I'm going to try and work on one of the more tricky parts of the project. So I'm going to do a crown molding shelf at the top of the wainscoting, and I've never really done crown molding before. So cutting it is pretty tricky because it's installed at a 45-degree angle, and then you've also got to make angle cuts. On the ends you're going to have holes, so I got to figure out how to return crown molding into the wall. So I got to turn a corner, and I want to make it look real nice and fancy. So I'm going to jump on YouTube real quick, and I'm going to look up some finished carpentry, how to return or terminate crown molding, and we'll do a little bit of learning and then jump right into making some cuts. So here we go. Alright, so I finished the first piece of crown for the shelf yesterday, and it turned out pretty good. I had some trouble with the chop saw because I don't have a little fence or anything to put the board up against. It has to sit in there at a 45-degree angle, and so I tried to rig something up yesterday, and it didn't work too well. It was moving around a lot, so it makes the cuts inconsistent. So I'm going to build myself a little kind of jig fence to put this stuff in. So I'm going to do that here real quick and then get to cutting the rest of it. Alright, so I got all the pieces cut, and I think I got everything pretty close. If anything, I cut it just a little bit long, so I can go back and make little adjustments to these longer pieces if I need to. So yeah, I think the next part, I'm going to finish gluing these up, and then I'll get a coat of paint on this stuff. I'll start roughing it in the house. So yeah, had a good day.